Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. But today I'm back with another video. I'm here with a cooking video, and today I'm going to be making the infamous Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich from scratch. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any recipes you want me to try out, then let me know, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So to start off, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. First, you want a pack of chicken thighs. This is the pack that I got. This is the boneless and skinless chicken thighs, and it's a pack. This is a 6-pound pack. I just have them in here defrosting. They're just about ready. So first off, I'm going to run through the ingredients of everything that you're going to need, just so you can make sure you have everything. So one, you're going to need some mayonnaise, mayo. You're going to need some buttermilk. You're going to need some Tabasco sauce. I don't know if this is Tabasco sauce or not. I did a taste test of it and it seems close to Tabasco sauce. And if you don't have Tabasco sauce, you can substitute it with like a hot sauce of your choice. You're gonna need some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, some paprika. Whenever I see paprika, I always think of Blue's Clues. If you get why, then shout out to you. Some salt. It doesn't have to be sea salt. It could be whatever salt you use, but I'm gonna use sea salt. Some black pepper, some cornstarch, and some all-purpose flour. And then you're also gonna need some pickles. For my choice of pickles, I'm gonna be using the bread and butter pickle chips. You're gonna need some buns. I'm using these are from Sara Lee. These are the sweet Hawaiian sandwich buns. I also forgot to mention that you need 2 eggs as well. For this recipe, I'm going off of the video that I saw. I don't know his name, but he posted the full recipe to the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I think it was like a TikTok video or something, but I'm gonna be following his video. So his first step is to get all of the chicken thighs that you're gonna use. I'm gonna use about like 6 or 7, possibly 8, because I'm cooking for me and other people as well. Get the chicken thighs, pat them dry, and put them all in a bowl together. I think I'm gonna use this bowl. I have 2 bowls. I have a bigger one and a smaller one. I'm gonna use the smaller one. So I'm gonna get that and some paper towels and head over to the sink. Okay, now I'm gonna go through and season the chicken. I'm going to add the Tabasco sauce. So I'm also gonna go in with can you see that? I'm gonna go in, well, this is the cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna go in with this. Salt, some black pepper, the garlic powder, and now I'm gonna mix it up. I'm just gonna use these tongs. I don't know if y'all can see that they're all mixed together. It's kind of blurry, but everything has seasoning on it. And now I'm going to set this aside and prepare the flour mixture. Need about 2 cups of flour. That's about 1 cup. Come on. That's about 2.5 cups. So I have some flour in here. Now I'm gonna add some cornstarch. So this guy didn't put measurements. He really just poured stuff like in his hands. About that much cornstarch. So I'm gonna go in and add some paprika of the flour, but about that much paprika. cayenne pepper, some pepper, and some salt. And now you just mix that together. And then I think we just set that to the side. Okay, so I lied. Instead of 2 bowls, you need 3. I also don't think that I showed this in the beginning, but you need eggs. And I just left these out and let them get room temp. But you need 2 eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack those. Cracked it too hard. And now I'm just gonna add some buttermilk. Add about that much. That was about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of buttermilk, I believe. I'm just gonna whisk that together. And now you're gonna take this mixture that we just made and pour it over our seasoned chicken. Pour it over it. Just like that. I'm gonna make sure every part of the chicken is sitting in the buttermilk. And now I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. And by a minute, I'm probably gonna let it sit for about, I'll let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. So, but I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I will be back to show y'all the final steps. Okay, so it's actually been over 45 minutes. It's been about an hour, and I put this in the refrigerator. You can either fry over the stovetop or you can use a fryer. I'm gonna use a fryer because I don't trust myself to fry over the stovetop. I'm not there yet. So I've got this preheating. Okay, so as you can see, the fryer, that bottom light right there says ready, and the oil is ready. So it's ready for me whenever I'm ready. But first I need to coat the chicken. Okay, so I have a cooling rack right here. There's the chicken. I'm gonna create a system. So it's gonna go chicken, dredge in the flour, go over here. Got it open. I'm gonna bring the basket up. I'm gonna go through and lower the basket. Close the top. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm putting the last 2 pieces into the fryer. So while the last 2 pieces are cooking, I'm going to show you some of the ones that are done. It's almost slid off the rack, but here's the ones that I just took out. So while the last batch is cooking, I'm gonna clean up this counter, and then we're gonna make the spicy mayo. For the spicy mayo, you're gonna need, of course, mayo, some hot sauce. I'm using this is Louisiana hot sauce, paprika, and some cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna take some of the mayo, put it in here. I'm gonna put some of the hot sauce in. And once you're done mixing it, you get something that looks like this. Since I have 2 pieces that are done already, I'm gonna go ahead and make a sandwich so I can do like a taste test. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna toast one of these buns. Well, not one of them, a pair of buns. What do you call 2 buns? Is it just buns? I don't know. I'm gonna toast them in the air fryer for like 5 minutes. While my buns are toasting, I'm gonna go through and kind of set up and get ready for my presentation. So I've got a glass plate, the pickles. It's blurry, you can't see that, but it's pickles. Each bun. Taste test. Okay. Moment of truth. I did that. I'm so proud of myself because I'm not the best cook, but I did that. And if you, I can't even talk. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all later. Maybe. Bye, y'all.